Heartland here. Really retro, maybe a collector type item. In the front you have power tongue, battery, double tanks. Amazing windshield on this one. Here you'll have your refrigerator maintenance, storage, outdoor shower here, city water, fresh water connection so you can fill it up when you're on the go or connected. Clean out, that's your heater on and off, your power, satellite in and out. Coming around the back, really retro. You have more storage there. On this side you'll have a power awning with LED strip, power outlets. You have your leveling jacks. Opening up, you have a bed in the back, and you have your information there. Lots of storage, tons of storage actually. Fuse panel down there. You have all your main switches here, your water pump, hot water tank, I think the gas, electric, grab handles, lights in the awning, extend power awning, all your lights across everywhere. Again, lots and lots of storage. Lights back here so you can see turns on. Right, so then we come in here, you have a TV included, stereo that heads in the drawer, all the connectors. You turn it on to make sure your antenna's working. It's off right now. Again, more storage here. If we come in here, hard top counter, solid counter. You have all your stuff, your toilet. Make sure you're putting a gallon. These ones you'd have to make sure you're putting a gallon in when you flush it. Get the chemical and everything in there, otherwise it's a dry flush. Vents, a little bit of headroom if you're too tall to get in that shower. You have a couch here which actually pulls out into a sleeper. More storage. Fridge that runs on electric and gas. You can have it set to auto so it'll find which one to run. Storage up here slides in and out. More fans, smoke detectors. And on here, outlets everywhere. Quite the view when you're looking out. If you're on a campground, you got lots of view, lots of lighting, gas cooktop, microwave, full counter underneath, storage underneath. Again, there's all these lights everywhere work. These ones are up front, or below here. As you can see, these ones are here. And yeah, it's all retro. This could be made into a bed if you want. Collector's piece, or just a really cool camper.